How's it going, YouTube? This is Smooth Bass Man coming to you with a rolling review of the Indian Challenger Lowers. So it's a nice, cool November morning, and I'm out on the Challenger trying to get a few more miles in. And yesterday when I took off, it was like 40 some degrees, and I was like, man, it is cold. And I should get moving on the bike. I was like, man, I need something to help me get a little bit longer in the tooth in the season, but I happen to wear long johns all the time. So called a dealer. They had these available, picked them up over lunch, installed them before I went home from the office. And I'm impressed. They definitely hold the heat, kind of like a heat bubble right here by your legs. And so far, I've ridden this morning, good 40 miles, and I have not been cold at all. It's just been wonderful. So, excellent little small accessory. I think it's priced a little bit high at $200, but it looks good. It's Indian branded, and it works well. So I guess you get what you pay for a little bit, but hopefully the aftermarket comes out with a few items here in the future. Cut some of the costs down with trying to accessorize your Indian motorcycles. So that's it. Just a short, quick review of these lowers. You can take a look and see how good they look here, but definitely I recommend them. So 2 thumbs up for Indian. So now they just got to get some more supply available so that more people can get them, because they're on back order now on the website. And my dealer said she sold the last one. I got the last set of these at the dealer. So hopefully more to come. So grab these and extend your riding season for you guys, and enjoy. Get out there and ride safe. Smooth Bass Man out.